The health insurance industry in India and in the Middle East offers immense growth potential for doctors, particularly fresh doctors from all streams, allopathy, AYUSH, and dental. In this video, we will look into the details. Uh, in this presentation, we are looking at what are the growth opportunities for medical doctors, particularly fresh medical doctors from all branches, allopathy, traditional medicine, Ayush, dental, from all the streams. Um, if you look at the slide in Dubai, um, the non-communicable diseases are a major reason for premature death, and this is a case across the world also. The chart on the right hand side shows that the countries in blue, the Gulf countries, are having a higher incidence of non-communicable deaths, um, and maybe a country like Singapore is far lesser, probably because they have a more emphasis on public transport, so everyone walks and moves around a lot, and probably they're more athletic and energetic, so they are at one end of the spectrum. But US, UK, Australia, they are all having high incidence of non-communicable diseases and mortality. Same is the case for India also. So premature death leads to higher losses for insurance companies. So therefore, insurance companies are will be very keen to engage with medical doctors in wellness, in prevention. Insurance companies world over run a lot of prevention programs for corporate insurance customers. So in a way, the insurance company is wants a healthy customer base. So to improve the health, they engage with doctors. So doctors are needed in wellness, they needed for underwriting, and they're needed for claims approval. Some of the major drivers of non-communicable diseases are hypertension, obesity, diabetes, and daily smoking. So a country like UAE is having a higher incidence in most of them except in daily smoking. But this chart gives the relative importance and incidence of all these risk factors in non-communicable diseases. In an earlier video, we have seen the importance of health insurance as a key pillar of healthcare funding, and the GCC countries. The GCC countries, which is the six Middle East countries, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, and Bahrain. These six have taken insurance very, very seriously, and particularly health insurance very seriously. So the chart on the left shows that um, amongst all the six countries, Qatar and UAE and Saudi Arabia are dominating the insurance market in the GCC countries. So they compose almost 80% of the entire market. And if we look at it more closely, the composition of the insurance industry, uh, Saudi Arabia, the dominance is on non-life insurance. Life insurance is pretty small, and within non-life insurance, health is the biggest piece. Health is now, and not only big, it's rising also. It now composes 61% of the non-life insurance premium. So this shows the importance of health insurance in Saudi Arabia. In the UAE too, non-life insurance is far bigger compared to life insurance, and within non-life insurance, health insurance is the biggest piece. It composes 55% of the total non-life insurance business. We can see that in the UAE healthcare system, uh, 12,000 medical doctors are employed as physicians. But the interesting point is 70,428 medical doctors are engaged in supporting fields. It could be in the area of wellness, insurance, these areas. So this gives an idea of the job opportunities for doctors uh, outside the clinic and the hospital. And the the data also shows that there are 366 dentists and 75 TCAM, that is traditional complementary alternative medicine, which includes AYUSH, maybe including Chinese medicine also. So there are UAE has recognized TCAM as a legitimate branch of medicine, and 375 people are engaged in TCAM in the Middle East. So this is probably the shape of things to come in India also in the following days. In India, we have during last year 23-24, we have processed close to 3 crore IPD claims. That comes to almost 1 lakh claims per day. So we estimate 1 lakh claims per day means you need at least 3,000 medical approvers, who will be approving these claims. So a good part of the medical approvers will be doctors. So doctors can do the approval better. Um, and we can see that in spite of having this many people, there are a lot of delays in the processing of the claims. Only 81% got approved within 1 month. Strictly as per the insurance regulator, you should approve the claim in 1 week. So this gives you an idea that there is a huge shortfall of capacity to process the claims in a speedy manner. Okay. But the more interesting thing, if you see on the right hand side, that is indication of the boom that's going to come in India. Um, India has only IPD claims right now, whereas UAE has got IPD and OPD. Uh, Now the number to watch is um, everywhere, India and UAE, for every 100 insurance customers, 6 claims happens. Same in India, same in UAE. That means there are 6 claims for every 100 people. But in OPD, India doesn't have OPD. In OPD in UAE, there are 6 claims per person. That means for every 100 people, there are 600 OPD claims and 6 IPD claims. So total 606 claims have to be processed. Whereas in India, right now, we are processing only 6 per 100. Just imagine, no, now, right now, we are processing 3 crore claims per annum with only IPD. The moment if we have OPD, and if you look at the numbers in UAE, we are going to look at staggering volumes. It will be um, 10x, okay, at least 10x. 31, I mean, not just 10x, it's almost 1000x it comes to. So we are going to, of course, a good part of it will be handled by automation and using AI, but a huge boom is set to come in insurance, and a lot of medical doctors will be needed as approvers. The boom for fresh doctors is also going to happen in India for another reason. If you see the chart on the right side, there's a column IPD and there's a column OPD. Uh, The green one shows that right now we have only OPD in allopathy in a big way. Ayush is technically there, but it's not got activated effectively. And OPD in allopathy, OPD in Ayush, and OPD in dental is round the corner. So, like we saw in the earlier slide, the volume is going to boom. Okay. The other point to notice, look at this table on the left hand side. India has 13 lakh registered doctors in allopathy, and in Ayush we have almost 8 lakh doctors and 3 lakh doctors in dentistry. Uh, Today within allopathy, um, I mean, we have about 15,000 hospitals, but a good part of the insurance money of 1 lakh 20,000 crores per annum is going largely to corporate insurance, corporate hospitals. Okay. But very soon, the coverage in insurance will come to OPD, and when it comes to OPD, it will go to all small and medium hospitals, and it will also go to Ayush coverage will happen in a big way, and dental insurance also will happen. Then uh, all the 24 lakh medical professionals will be getting the benefits of the revenue flow from health insurance. So the good part for fresh medical doctors, we see that 1 lakh 18,000 MBBS doctors pass out every year. Um, but MBBS doctors, at least now, because of increase in PG seats, 74,000 PG seats are available. So 70% will go for PG, but the remaining 30% can consider coming into insurance industry. Same way in Ayush, 66,000 Ayush doctors pass out every year and 27,000 dentists pass out every year. These fresh MBBS, Ayush, and BDS doctors can consider coming into the insurance industry. And how to come in, we have another video on what to study, how to study, and how to get into the industry. Thank you. India's journey towards achieving a GDP target of $10 trillion by the year 2030 hinges in a big way on achieving universal health coverage. And for that purpose, the health insurance will be an important fulcrum. So, in this regard, we invite your support and collaboration to take this journey forward. Thank you.